Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid crypto. Calm spread. Many users find that buying and selling crypto directly in the main app can be more expensive due to the built-in spread. This isn't a separate fee, but rather the difference between the price you buy at and the price you could immediately sell at. The easiest and most effective way to minimize this cost is by utilizing the crypto Calm exchange, which offers a more transparent and cost-effective trading environment. To begin, simply transfer your desired funds from your crypto Calm app wallet to your exchange wallet. This transfer is typically free and instant. Once your funds are on the exchange, you gain access to a professional trading interface. Here, you can place limit orders, allowing you to specify the exact price you wish to buy or sell your cryptocurrency, rather than accepting the current market price with its inherent spread. Limit orders are a powerful tool on the exchange. Instead of instantly buying or selling at whatever price is currently offered, you set a specific price. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at $60,000, you could set a limit buy order for $59,900. Your order will only fill if Bitcoin drops to that price, ensuring you get your desired entry point and avoid paying extra spread. Beyond using the exchange, consider trading during periods of high market liquidity, as this often results in tighter spreads. Also, when moving funds, using stablecoins can help mitigate price fluctuations and potential spread issues. Always take a moment to carefully review all transaction details before confirming any trade. By consistently applying these simple strategies, you can significantly reduce your overall trading costs and maximize your crypto holdings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.